So let's talk about how to mirror your Android screen to your PC. So we have a application called Visor, and Visor is an application for Chrome. That means that you need to install this application in the Chrome, right? So you can type Visor Chrome app in the Google, and you get to see a link called Visor Chrome Web Store. Click on this link. Okay, and then you get to see install or update. Okay, so in my case, the Visor application is already installed in the Chrome. But if you are doing for the first time, you will get to see a button called install or add to Chrome, some button you can see, and click on that button and follow the instruction to install the Visor app in the Chrome browser. So once it is installed, you might require to restart the Chrome browser. So and then open a new tab. You can see apps inside the Chrome browser. You can see apps. Click on the apps. Once you click on the apps, you get to see an application called Visor. Now click on the Visor. Okay. So if the device is already connected, if the Android device is already connected to your machine, you can get to see the device name, that is B1730HD, and the serial number of the device. You get to see those two things. So make sure before you use the Visor, make sure the Android SDK is set up in your system. Okay, so the prerequisites for using the Visor is Android SDK is set up in your system. Okay, so the Android SDK is required to fetch the connected device details, such as device name and device serial number and couple of other things. Okay, so once the device is connected, and once you open the Visor, you get to see this kind of screen. Click on the view. Okay, so this is my screen that you are viewing. Go back, and also before you before you click on view, make sure in your device settings the developer options is enabled. So if you go down, you can see developer options. For the first time, if you are going to the settings, you might not able to see developer options immediately. Okay, so if you don't see an option called developer options in the settings menu, go to about device or about tablet, and at the bottom you can see bill number, right? You can see bill number. So click on the bill number for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so when you click on the bill number 7 times and then you go back, an option called developer option will be visible to you. Okay, you need to click on the bill number 7 times if you don't see developer options in your settings menu. Please remember that. Okay, and the bill number option is available in the about device or about tablet. Once you see developer options, click on the developer options and enable it, switch on, and also come back. You can see USB debugging. Make sure it is checked. By default it will be unchecked. Make sure it is checked. And then make sure when you type ADB devices, a device is visible here. You connect the device. I'm summarizing the steps. connect the device, enable the developer options, go into the developer options and make this switch is on, the developer options switch is on, and make sure USB debugging is enabled, and then type ADB devices. You should be able to see your device serial number and something like device. So that means your device is connected to the PC in the right manner. Then you open Visor application. As I said, you open Visor application, and the Visor application is capable to fetch these details, and then click on view. Okay, so that's how you can able to mirror Android device into your PC. So this is a Visor app. So you can go to the Visor official website if you want to more details about Visor. So it is also available in paid. So if you are going for Visor Pro for the paid version, so there are multiple features are available to you. But if you are going for free, the only screen is shared to your Android, to your computer. So that's about official website of Visor. When you click on install, you can see that add Visor. So as you are typing all these details from Chrome browser, it is directly asking you to add the Visor. Okay, so if you type the same thing in the Firefox, a Visor Chrome app is applicable. So let's find out, is there any Visor app available for Firefox? When you click on the install, let's see what happens. So can you see that you will need Google Chrome to install most apps, extensions and themes. Download Google Chrome. Available on Google Chrome. Available on Chrome. Okay. So now it is clear that the Visor app is available for Chrome browser. It's a Chrome app, right? So you need to install the Visor into the Chrome browser. So that's clear. So yeah, that's all about mirroring the Android device to your PC, whether it is a Mac or whether it is a Windows. Doesn't matter because you're going to install the app on the Chrome browser.